Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my daily makeup routine. Not that I wear makeup every day, but this is what I tend to wear like every other day. So it's just like it's a quick one in my opinion. It takes me less than 30 minutes to achieve. I hope you enjoy it, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next one. I start off by priming my face. So I use the Huda Beauty primer to prime my face. It's a moisturizing primer, and I applied this all over my face using the tips of my fingers. The foundation I'm currently loving and using is this foundation from Primark. It's actually currently sold for £2. The original price is £6, but they're on sale, so I grabbed a few bottles. I've used a good number of foundations, but this one seems to be one of my favorites, so that's what I currently use. So I apply a few drops onto my face, and then go in with a brush and blend everything into my face, and also not forgetting the neck area. And so to to highlight my face, I go in with this Fenty Beauty concealer. I guess it's in the shade either 450 or 430. So I apply the concealer, a bit of this concealer on the areas where I would normally highlight. Then I will blend everything into my skin using the same foundation brush I used previously. And so to set my face, I go in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Nutmeg, and I apply more of this powder at the areas where I just highlighted. And yeah, I eventually use the powder to set my entire face, because most times, I mean, this is my everyday makeup look. Most times I don't have the luxury of grabbing some other powder to use, so I just use one powder to set my entire face. So the next step is to fill my brows. I've been using this eyebrow filler for like the longest. It's the ZARON eyebrow filler, and it's like the consistency is, it has a powdery consistency. So I brush my brows into place. Yeah, my brows into place, and then I go in with an angled brush and fill in my brows. So to tidy my brows and make them look crisp, I go in with the Fenty concealer that I highlighted my face with previously, and then I clean my brow bone area. I don't bother, using this above my eyebrows. I just focus on the brow bone area. I still apply this concealer all over my eyelid. This serves two purposes. The first purpose is to cancel out the discoloration on my eyelid, and secondly, this concealer would act as a primer for whatever I would normally do on my eyes. I usually don't do anything dramatic over the top. I most times I don't even wear eyeshadow, but if I have to wear eyeshadow, it would be very, very neutral. So I always gravitate towards earth tones. So like, I mean, browns and like copper, the shades and all that, you know what I mean? Anyway, so I applied the darkest shade of this eyeshadow. It's the palette. I'll put the name somewhere on the screen. So I applied the darkest shade on the hollows of my eye. This is to bring back definition to my eyes. From my eyelid, I go in with this shade. This should be like a coppery shade, if there's anything like coppery shade. I go in, or yeah, rusty, coppery, whatever. I use this all over my eyelid. I don't apply a lot. I mean, I just apply just a little bit to make the eyelids pop slightly. So yeah, that's it. So before I apply my false lashes, I go in with a mascara and then I run this through the lashes so that my lashes are visible, and also so that they will blend into the false lashes when I apply them, so they don't just stand out, if you know what I mean. As soon as I'm done applying the glue onto the lashes, I apply the lashes straight up. I don't wait for them, I mean, I don't wait for the glue to get tacky. I just apply it straight up and then let it dry. Because I mean, I have other things to do. I just like do other stuff on my face, then when it dries, I proceed to line in my eyes. So the eyeliner, the black eyeliner I normally use is this INGLOT Gel liner. It's the INGLOT Gel liner. I think it's number 77, and I applied this using an angled brush. For the bottom of my eyes, I go in with the dark brown eyeshadow I used previously. So I just smudge this at the bottom areas of my eyes. I usually don't apply eyeliners now because I mean, when I'm washing my face, the struggle to get it off is real. One of the last steps I like to do on my face, I mean before the lips, is to contour my face. So I go in with this Zaron face definer. It's the darkest shade in, I think it's the darkest palette in XD20 if I'm right. So I use this to contour my face. I normally don't use cream or liquid contour on daily basis. So to make my face glow just a little bit, I go in with this the shimmery highlighter from the same contour palette, and I apply this on the areas that need to pop, my the high points of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. Yes, the tip just there of my nose. Then I also, not forgetting the brow bone area, and just, you know, with the little left, I dust it over my forehead. The final step is to do my lips. So I outline my lip with this lipstick from Zaron Cosmetics. It's a brown, very dark brown lipstick, and yeah, it's my go-to lip liner. And then after that, you apply this nude shade from, it's I think, yeah, this is a Clinique lipstick. It was a gift from a friend, so I applied this all over my lip. I don't even know the name of the shade of the lipstick. I applied this all over my lip before I go over the lip with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. So that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did enjoy filming it. So if you've got any suggestions, I mean, like if you've got any video suggestions you'd like to see on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know. And yes, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.